What up guys, Future Normal here, and today I'm gonna be playing some more Smashy Road Wanted. Let's go. This vehicle is called Nightmare. No, the Beast. It's called the Beast. I won it in Win a Car. It's legendary, and it said it gives police nightmares, and I thought that's its power. And the video I uploaded before this one, it tells you the videos I'm gonna make, but not when I'm gonna upload them. So, water. Oh, jeez. And the turn is so smooth. It doesn't. You don't have to wait like 1 second before it turns. It turns instantly. The other cars, you like have to wait a second before it turns, and the tires are like slick. When you turn, you go sliding, but with the like legendary cars or other cars, you don't. Wait, did that cop went over me or through me? Don't know anymore. I'm gonna win a car. Hopefully it's another legendary or epic. Oh, it's rare. Really? I already have this car. It's not even good. Doesn't go fast. The names are weak for these cars, except for the legendary. And I also won like an alien spaceship. Over here. An alien. I also won a rocket. A rocket. So yeah, look, see? The Beast gives police nightmares. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. I need to stop recording for reasons. So, this video is going to be kind of short, just like the first one that I uploaded. Whoa, amazing. So, just because sometimes the recording stopped. The recording stopped 2 times, and I lost the footage and I couldn't get it back. So, no, I missed that dollar. Couldn't go back. Alright. Well, I'm gonna end the video there, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, and if you're new, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.